Good afternoon, and welcome to our second trimester honors assembly. This is the assembly that we would have had on March 16th, last school year. Sorry that we had to do this as a recording. We tried to do this through a live link and it didn't work, so here we are. Mrs. Benson and I are going to take turns reading the names of the students who last year were in 1st through 4th grade, who qualified for the Principal's Honor Roll. In order to qualify for honors, a student has to have all 3s or 4s on the report card and satisfactory or excellent in PE and ELD for effort. So, shall we start, Mrs. Benson?
I'm ready when you are.
We are sitting 6 feet apart. We have our mask, but we're 6 feet apart. Okay, I'll let you go, please.
All right, our first recipient of a Principal's Honor Roll is Benito Fonseca.
Next is Lydia Guzman.
And Christopher Barnes.
Isabel Halverson.
Amelia Alonzo.
Scarlett Hayes.
Romy Birch.
Ruby Hernandez.
Damian Birmingham.
Santiago Artiga.
Ismael Alvarez.
Uriel Chavez.
Diego Amezquita.
Jocelyn Zamora.
Michael Birmingham.
Don Hutchinson.
Denise Brito Aguilar.
Gerardo Hernandez.
Daniel Orozco.
Marlene Matias.
Maribel Camacho.
Azalia Didier Flores.
Kiara Castillo Velasco.
Mariah Lopez.
Santiago Castro.
Joshua McGee.
Jamil Castro Martinez.
Keller Mendez Alas.
Allison Castro Martinez.
Aiden Morales.
Gloria Chali Alas.
Natalia Moreno.
Juan Carlos Cruz Bueno.
Gianna Navarro.
Jennifer Cunningham.
Jacob Navarro.
Vicky Dean.
Abel Atea Ochoa.
Jaden Delgado.
Anthony Odell.
Tiana Delgado Garzon.
Jorge Orozco.
Leila Delgado.
Alan Pastor.
Francisco Diaz Azueta.
Abigail Ramirez.
Frank Dorame.
Anthony Vasquez.
Alexander Duran.
Jimmy Rendon Sanchez.
Ruben Duran.
Sebastian Rendon Sanchez.
Alea Escoto.
Alexander Reyes.
America Espinoza.
Vincent Cruz Rico.
Linda Evans.
Julian Pez Rios.
Edgar Figueroa Burgos.
Emmanuel Luis Hernandez.
Reina Flores.
Stephanie Sanchez.
Luis Gallegos.
Gael Sanchez.
Desiree Garcia.
Viviana Ray Sanchez.
Elena Garcia.
Miranda Sarabia.
Jaime Garcia.
Jay Day.
Zaid Garcia.
Kylie Trong.
Naomi Gonzalez.
Ivan Palma.
Hugo Granados.
Alexis Vera Quiroz.
Mia Gutierrez.
Jeremy Wilms.
Dario Guzman.
Adriel Zazueta.
Derek Guzman. That's a lot of students we had that got
That is a lot of students. I'm very proud of them. We know that they worked hard.
They worked hard, and I know they're still going to work hard during distance learning.
That's true, because it will be a real test to see how many of these students are able to be on the honor roll for this trimester. We'll have another assembly in the month of November for the first trimester.
We hope to see all of these students and some more receiving awards. Thank you for attending our assembly.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We'll see you soon.